A big mistake in your life. So what the Asante Achim seat na kwa kwache NDC or parliament. Brekwa minority wo. Wosi upempuntu de abenti wo nya ni. Na hwa na ka che so we MP ana di mpuntu ba masa MP wadwuma yesem kwose mere Ghana amalamu na mohye wo. Wonni ma fatutu obi antu fansa na wo kwa fatutu.
Akwaba wo frame Ajwa search me mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Asante Achim ena ende omo no demo musuma mama adan omo tres omo aton omo colored TV akoto black and white versus black and white adan omo tres independent candidate no gina wo no win you know okọ parliament house wo no eye frimpon no okọ parliament house wo no wa side with the majority na chese majority no wa side with no so eye NDC for and Asante Achim no NPP seat and who bro bi na kase bi na be kan no so mo try won hwe nti ade nti na wo koton mo seat de ma fairness majority NDC for nti mo nti aso mo am dem na so na me video ni be bro na Asante Achim for musu for what reason man no campaign na no catch them from the beginning say me na do no win ya no ko parliament house party e be bia no be side with so what is your problem now? Now frimpon nso no ye bi okay o frimpon so o ye bi o adenti na mutumi munim se Ghana fo party so enti mutumi tu nsem hu futuru go amani sa e na no kotena onua TV captain show ni captain smart di show so ye dwa wanu menim se na o pese wo dwa wanu mo se denyo me be see factories me be see warehouse me be ya kwan dia ma MP your responsibility is to go to that house to make laws, not to come and build factories and your friend say construct roads. That is not your responsibilities. Now you have told your friend say your constituency what you are going to do for them. What if your friend is saying went to me and provide their mom because we are MP what then is all make law MP when you kwan unsi factory and then tin amotisa I o kan out to binitri graduate away university say MP ba be si factory amano MP ba be your friend say obe na Asante Achim ho no menim say ho kwa na your constituency ho Ghana ha no me dia because e bosha abrant nation anresh ene kamia kwa say youth wo na oba be mo adwuma ye we are not saying say wo gina as independent na we win no o nyade you have tried as young as you are you are not that young but at least one more parliament they be brave and penny you have tried your best why are they but boshani you too much who be create a juba na his excellency Mahama ko betu me create a juba na youth bi anya bi aye and Asante Achim for omani so ate omo me nim say du na ohu na me say abato ye to ye ya me nko no betu bi akire ye ntin se me nko
A big mistake in your life. So what the Asante Achim seat na kwa kwache NDC or parliament. Brekwa minority wo. Wosi upempuntu de abenti wo nya ni. Na hwa na ka che so we MP ana di mpuntu ba masa MP wadwuma yesem kwose mere Ghana amalamu na mohye wo. Wonni ma fatutu obi antu fansa na wo kwa fatutu Ghana amalamu na mohye mo na mo approve Ghana loans. De onya ya 10% loan na mba approve na beba district assembly ho no. Wo de o me ya 10% o. De obetimi de aya de toilet ne pipe na de besisi me ka kiro okotra TV so say MPB ono no ba ye watimi di ni sika aye adwuma ma amanfo ye bie adwuma be na waye FM station usi ye nipa do na afa wo mu na emu de he na obi be ya announcement a wonyi ni sika eye wo business na wo ye private school na usi ya ukosi dan ma wo ma wo de better TV so say wakosi 3 unit classroom wo jiji mu no eye wo private school obi ba wo jini school fees nti de better de kwa campaign na so ukosi ayi enema amanfo a enunti e so wodi seat ne kwache ye hu ne say wo betimi abo Asante Achim enunti ene yeto aba because 2016 no and 2020 you were part of NPP campaign team Asante Achim no na wo ka ho Kwame Ndi 2016 na wo ye campaign ma no na wo ka ho e ba ne say na wo ka kire say wo ye ban reduce successor kwajo ban reduce delay we are the sources and Kojo Banredu NPP new onye NDC ni empuntu ehu na Asante Achim north and south ni le Kojo Banredu sana adwuma enam no so na Asante Achim a police force soldier for migration fire service customs all the security service one o mampani kofo nyankopon hyirom enam omo so ni nya asa na emani nyina 2000 bepim 2016 mpunto be na NDC yema Asante Achimfo enye bayi Kwame Ndi ya na esore ya wotimi fighting Fulanifo ewo Agogo ya Kwame Ndi ni Akufo Addo ya na etimi fighting ya Fulanifo nsensem eba from Agogo satam where were you nenne ye nyina ye mfiri Kwame Ndi achi enkoto abama wo se wadi wo mu achi ntie se no wo ye NPP ni a na just a setup no when that's all catch them say Asante Achimfo ya adwen wo fom na ya adwen ni fom a ankata ma John Domelu ebe kasi ye ntwa bama na seat na woje time na isi ebe ball nyum wo campaign ase no e na senke hu sa wo ye NDC ni eni san se o se ya adwen wo fom na ye no kore minim se ya adwen wo fom be ye se kwase de wo ye ntia so mpire no masa parliament wo ya banoma wo ho wo ya banoma me ka kire abanoma wo ya banoma because obi eni ho wonim wo ho NPP ni NDC na ye parties wo parliament wo ti wo ya banoma enu nti wo do ho akodwen ni NDC a it doesn't surprise anybody but keep your money. We are one time MP, our Asante Achim love. Odo pa be di matem emfa me ho because you say what nkrofo gum say omuni matem because me ma why won popular. Me ma wagidin na ma why adwuma because why say bo wo so be secondary school amaye e wo Afran Prince. Na we be secondary school amaye wo Amansama area. Ene ma aka ne kra de any problem but whether you do it or you don't do it 2020 you are no more coming because you say we NDC ni ye to aba na hu say NDC ni nya 2000 it is telling you say ya Asante Achimfo ye nya NDC for NPP for na be to aba ni nyina de ma wa ne wo say wa basu ntu akwetena parliament na time na wo ye interview ni mpo no de oba na no ye interview no mpo no otia na say na Asante Achim de e ho ye stronghold of NPP and it will be difficult to penetrate. Also we no correct because your father say we ye nua we ye NPP ni enti to abama wo masa voter raging opa fa ayi atade ye akokofo ni gina won beto amachi e saa na tie Ghana parties ye mi no e NDC NPP yeah Asante for say ye NPP for whether they do something for us or they don't do we don't care e saa na tie Greater Accra Development be na Akufo Addo anye omo to abama ye say 4 seats ni nya 30 seats ni omo say NDC go to all the northern ranges John Mahama wini e dey no ye ma wo mo. It's like that. It's would you sit now, save your money for 2028 because those can be a benyabi out of Fabebua or would the Buan Famo 2026 in NPP. It will surprise you. Missy keep video way, now fire reference. Who want to come from Pong? We would near for them. See, Yankupo bet Chiaka, a quaya de Asante Achimfo fason. It needs for one car and just about this for me from good you. Not just a minority in our parliament, no more the Mumpim to Comeria. Omumpempuntu enkomeria to party say ye de to abani nyina wie ye de asi wa Ghana no ye ni frafo ye hu Nyankopon se obi biara me ohene kwa me frempon kwere maka kire no me se ha ho 2020 2028 obi biara NPP de ne beba wo NPP di mu no wo ohene kwa me frempon obesi form se seat ne beba independent obiem ene ne ye mu bi ye nte ase
plus se enya ne den upe motorcade ne sare na di wanim. O first day at office rule parliament house and akwadae ade achia wo be kase ma motorcade ne sari ni wanim because o free constituency ba parliament house who the traffic sunti abla wo meye MP a MPs for ne kase ma motorcade o tina UTV say o ehun hia MP ma motorcade nya dai wo na o de owura ho bia wo be kase wo ada wo yesonko chen obi ana solentem obanim so obekọ suku a osole ahomachi na odware wo school tem ti wonim say MP adwuma no be ya sorry ntem no modwale ntem akọ parliament house obi antam motorcade MP bia saa hodin na mode odi pe motorcade am MPs for no mon channel saa energy na mon hwe say ya traffic light e wo Ghana anyina be ya adwuma 24 hours ya be ya akwan papa ubenya so mfa so menya so mfa so ye metam motorcade MP bia